It consists of 50 states. It's home to over 330 million people. It commands the world's largest economy and projects cultural influence into every corner of the globe. But beyond the Hollywood movies and the political headlines, what exactly is the United States of America? It's not just a plot of land, since fundamentally, America is an idea, an experiment. And to understand it, we have to go back to the beginning. The story starts on the eastern edge of a vast, untapped continent. In 1776, 13 British colonies did the unthinkable. They declared independence from the most powerful empire on Earth. They didn't build their new nation on a shared ethnicity or an ancient monarchy. Instead, they built it on a piece of paper. The U.S. Constitution, ratified in 1788, remains the oldest written national constitution still completely in use today. It created a system designed to prevent anyone from having too much power, a fragile balance that has survived civil war, depression, and centuries of change. From those 13 colonies, the nation exploded westward. Today, the United States is the third largest country in the world by landmass. It is shockingly massive, spanning 6 time zones. You can stand in the freezing Arctic tundra of Alaska, the lush tropical rainforests of Hawaii, the endless plains of the Midwest, and the baking deserts of Death Valley, all without ever showing a passport. Entire European countries can comfortably fit inside single American states. But a massive landscape is empty without its people. The United States is famously a nation of immigrants. For hundreds of years, it has absorbed cultures, languages, and traditions from every corner of the planet, melting them down and forging something entirely new. This relentless influx of new ideas is exactly what fueled America's rise, producing the innovations of Silicon Valley, the financial machinery of Wall Street, and a culture that constantly reinvents itself. The United States is complex. It is capable of both brilliant triumphs and deep contradictions, and we are just scratching the surface. This is Untold America, and in this series, we are going to explore every corner, every law, and every untold story of this fascinating nation. Welcome to the journey. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.